In this video, we'll explain how to watch a published lesson and take tests. All the published lessons, once they are published, will appear in the feed and library. You can directly watch the video by clicking on its thumbnail in the feed. Alternatively, you can click on the full screen option to watch the video in full screen mode. You can view all the chapters associated with the video and switch between topics. Use the seek bar to navigate to specific portions of the video. And you can also control the volume to your preference. While watching the lesson, you can take the test attached to it. Questions will be displayed one by one, along with multiple choice options. Choose one option and click Next for the next question. After attending all the questions, you can submit the test. Upon submission, the test will be automatically evaluated and your score will be displayed. You can view the correct answers by clicking on the drop-down arrow.